Are you feeling like everything is really gigantic right now? Too big to hold in your mind? Well, it is. I'm strolling by the Columbia River. And here's a mini nature practice invitation. Pay attention to things that are really small. Get closer to the tiny. And for a few minutes, let yourself zoom in. Noticing any little details. Texture, pattern. If you can touch, even better, because tactile is the fastest way out of mental overwhelm. Loose materials, even better, because adult human mammals in some ways aren't so different from toddlers. Loose materials in the hand, under our feet, on our skin, can be the balm, the smooth grit that cuts through the noise. And sometimes you get really lucky. Try it. Let me know how it goes.